Can you hear me now?
Yes, I can hear you.
Okay.
I'm sorry. Can you see me? Okay. Okay.
Nice to meet you. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you. Where are you
Uh,
from? Is it in Python?
yeah. It's Python. Yeah. You wrote Python.
Yes, I wrote Python.
Okay. So you can read the description on your left side.
Yes.
Thank you.
I'm sorry. Wait a minute. Is this my role or yours? Hello.
Hello. Yeah. What's
Okay.
up?
So this is you are the one who interview me, right? For this, or you are the one that interviewee?
Yeah. I'm the interviewer, and you read the description and finish the problem.
Okay. Uh, can you read in? Can you read in C?
You in this one. I cannot read
Okay.
yeah. It's a
Yeah.
little bit hard for me. I haven't wrote C# before. Yeah.
Okay. I see.
But I think you can write C#. Yeah.
Yeah, is that fine?
It's fine. I think it's okay. Yeah.
The problem is in here, you have to say that it's like this side. That's fine, right? I'm sorry. So you can say string like, the name is input. Input is of name. Input string, comma case. To be like this. Hey, I'm sorry. Yours. Cannot see this one. And I'm going to put count engine. Same as Java, I think. Same as like this one. Hey, I'm sorry. And the output should be like that. Yeah, but let's change it. Let's use Python because if you see, he's not what we call it. I have to input the input in here, right? Because in the Python, as you can see, they already inputted manual, right here, right? So let me see this. Okay, the first one is chunk everywhere, right?
Yeah.
After that, I'm going to check call it check. So it say that string document return list of all unit. Practice have three. Three means that which one is three? Kinda weird. Please convert accuracy integer input. We ask such as C Java is not so okay mixed type here. I see. So it's kind of harder in the secrets. What we count in this one is going to be three. A E N.
Which
A,
one? You can you type it?
this one. The why it's three. I don't quite understand.
Which means there are three practice words in this document.
So A E U A O, right? Seems.
Sorry, I don't know the meaning of this word.
Means that what do you call it? The consonant word A E U A O, right?
Yeah.
Because it has A E and A. It has three.
No.
No, not that.
I think the document is like uh okay. Hold on.
Yeah, Can you give me?
Yeah, the document is like this one, and there are three practice in this sentence.
Oh, I see. Oh, okay. In one of the so it has practice, practice, and practice, right?
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
Perfect and perfect, right?
yeah.
And also okay. So okay, I understand that. Thank you, thank you.
Okay.
So how
Or
to create this one? I think I chunk it one, and before I chunk every word, I should call. I should make two lower, right?
yeah.
Or all is lower, okay?
Mm-hmm.
And create hash map,
Yeah.
okay? And the key can be oh, I see. You see in here, right? Here, right?
Yeah.
So it
You have to.
has to remove, right?
Yeah, they remove the punctuation. Yeah.
Yeah, remove the special. Okay, first one.
Mm-hmm.
Okay,
Yeah.
so it's going to be a flat string, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Uh, After that, you have to, yeah, create hash map. No, I'm sorry. This is not informative. Create hash map based on string, right? So
Yeah.
you have like means like perfect. It's going to be 0, right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
And it will be count. And after that, what do you call it? Uh, Iterate into list, right?
Iterator. Okay.
So from that into this one, perfect, and also the number of the value 3, right?
Yeah. 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 The output is the this one. The this one. Yeah.
Yes, yes. Okay, okay. So this is the step by step. Thank you.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, so first one, I'm going to split this one and remove.
And you have to handle some some corner cases. Yeah. Firstly, um, how to handle the words with the same count.
I'm sorry.
Yeah.
Oh,
Um,
oh, I see, I see, I see. So before this one, I'm sorry. Just say pass. You can say that uh, it iterate into list. Okay, so we're going to iterate from every what do you call it, chunk of list, right? Chunk
mm,
of list. The condition is uh, if key exists, right? It's going to +1, right? Meaning like if you have a perfect in here, right? Perfect, perfect, and you have 0 first one. The first one is going to be 0, right? So you check the perfect is there exists in hash. If not, you input it. If uh, and if not, input into hash. Some kind of this.
mhm.
Is it easier to understand?
Sorry, I can't understand. Firstly, the hash map, what the key is the word and the value is the count.
Okay,
Uh,
so
yeah.
uh, um, it means that make the word into key, right, in hash map,
Mm-hmm.
and then if in for loop, right,
Oh.
the word exists as key in
Mm-hmm.
hash map, right?
Mm-hmm.
uh, if exists uh, the value should be +1. Oh, it
Where
doesn't.
it should be password. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah, okay. Else, input the word as key.
Yeah.
Okay, is that fine?
It's fine, it's fine. Okay, and you have to handle this case
Mm-hmm.
like if you have two words with the same count, which one do you put at first?
I mean, if it's the same word, it should be
Not the
just
same word, it's the same count. It's different words, but with the same count.
all the same count.
Yeah.
It should is this should be. Oh, I see. In Python, you have this is a little bit cheating, right? Is you have short, right? In
Or yeah, but you can read the problem. It asks you hold on. Okay, you can read this sentence. Um, put it at first. More than with same count order in the original sentence. Yeah,
oh, I see.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
This is kind of wait. If two or more words have a same count, they should
Hmm.
be shorted according to their orders in original sentences. So means that short by alphabetic, right? So is there any way that more what do you call it? Can you do this? Right? A is less than B. I think a Python can write. So
A is less than B. Sorry, I don't know why you need this condition. Uh, oh, it's
A
like okay, I got it. You mean write a function um to help you in sorting this array, right?
yeah, something like
Okay.
that.
Is yeah.
But it's not
Um,
efficient one, right? I think it's not efficient because you have to chunk the word, right? You have to chunk the, for example, like perfect, perfect, and I mean peers, right? I have to chunk and check whether the third one, right? R and E. This is not very efficient for me, I think, right? Because two of the char is same, right?
yeah, 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 I know that. Yeah, yeah, yeah. But you have I think it's not a dictionary order. You have to sort this array in according to their order in the original sentence. Do you know the meaning of the original sentence? Yeah, yeah.
Uh,
If you have a okay, I will give you an example. If I have a sentence like a uh a b b
yeah.
a b b, yeah, and the output should be a2 a2 and b2 in yeah, okay, hold on, I made a mistake here. It's like this one. Yeah, the output should be b2 and a2. Yeah,
Oh, I see. So you have to understand the position as well, right?
yeah, it's not the dictionary order. Yeah.
Oh, I see. I see. Oh, that means the original sentence.
Mm-mm.
I got it. I got it. Uh, how we do this? It's kind of tricky, right? Do you have suggestion?
Okay, okay. Firstly, you can store the index of the word appeared at first. Like, um, firstly, you have a map. Yeah, yeah, you have a map, and the key is B.
Right.
The count is two, right? And you have another map to store the index of the b equals b equals 0 and ma equals uh 2. It's the index that the word appears, the first appear. Do you know what I mean?
Oh, I see, I see, I
Yeah,
see.
yeah. And you can put them in an array. You put them in a list, like um b q okay, I made a mistake. Um q and the index and the 0 0 and b and the 2 1 a and sort this array in ascending order.
Mm.
Yeah, in ascending order because okay, you have to put a minus one here in ascending order because the count is the same, but the second value is not the same, and the 0 is bigger than the minus one. So if I sort this array in ascending order, it might be two minus one a and two zero b. It's like this.
So you have wait, but if you put it in hash map, right? Um,
Yeah, and if you have this array, you can put them in the output. Put them output. Yeah, from the end to the start, you can get output. Output is B two and A two. Do you know what I mean?
yeah, 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 yeah. Okay, okay, I understand.
Okay, I made a mistake here. And the two. Yeah. For the map one, it's the word to the count. For the map two, it's the word to the index that um appear firstly.
I see. I mean, like, if you want to this to make it into like here, right, into the next line, you have to cut the last one, right, so it doesn't appear like here, like M2 and 0. For example, that M2 is 0 and maybe if it's same, right, M2 is 0 and uh
Two minus and two.
wait. Not minus, I think. Some kind of what they call it. Just no. Let me try to figure out something, right. For
Okay.
example, like we have we call it here uh, hey, I'm sorry, import, right? And we have this one, right? Uh,
Yes.
Collection, I think. Import. Um, Wait a minute, let me think. Yeah, you can say default take, right?
Yes.
Um, and here we can say what engine, right? Wait a minute. For example, the document is going to be sub of this is regex. Wait a minute. Um,
Yeah. Actually, I don't know how to write the rejects here.
yeah.
It's a little bit hard for me.
I see. Means that if what do you call it, dash W and dash S It's some kind of same as like this, right? You just remove it, right?
Oh, hold on. Sorry, could you say it again? Actually, I don't know if it's right or not. I don't know. Yeah, I have
Okay, just let me think
to
about it.
lawyer. Yeah, yeah. Lawyer. I think it's lawyer. Yeah.
Okay. It's kind of uncomfortable in here. Okay, um, since we got the documentations and
Yep.
this is for what we call it pre-process. So like pre-process the or document.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Document or word the same, just the same. The other one is we're going to split. What do you call it? Split the words, right?
Yep.
I'm going to say this already removed the special character. I think the first one.
Mm-hmm.
And then the second one is dot split, and the other one is sorry. Mm, Next one is count the occurrence. What do you call it? Occurrence. Sorry. Count the occurrence. Wait a minute. Give me just 2 minutes. I need to take a package first. Okay. Sorry.
Mm,
So in here you can say that word count, right?
yep.
Word count is same as default dictionary. Maybe I put one integer in here, right?
Yep.
Uh, for words in words,
Mm-hmm.
so I can say for words in words, I can say uh word count, right? Yes, word count is word. This not the word is plus one.
Yeah.
Then we going to short the word. Wait a minute. Going to say shorted word. It's going to be shorted
Yeah. You need. I think you need a list here.
word count.
Word count.
Maybe just I'm just thinking the fast track. I think.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. It's okay. Take your time. I'm not in hurry.
Wait a minute. Let me think. Say that will count,
I
and
think. Yep.
just going to use lambda.
Lambda. Okay.
In here, like lambda is like headless function, like
Yeah. So, how will you solve this problem? Solve this.
I'm sorry. I mean, it's going to be lambda. Wait, I just think like
Mhm.
a minus x is going to be one in here, right?
Yeah.
You're going to say
Why is mine? Okay. You want the highest count appear at first.
yeah.
Okay. Okay. Got it. Yeah.
Words integer is going to be I can say this. No,
Yeah. It's a little bit hard. I think you can follow my method.
yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. You can sort them in ascending order. Yeah.
I see. So like this, words is going to be, I see, index. Words have an index of x1, index of x0, I think.
Yeah, but it's a little bit
How to read, right?
yeah. I think you have to use a map to read that to iterate over this document because if you use this one every time you will take all of n time complexity to find the index. Do you think so?
I see. You mean the n complexity, right?
Yeah.
So,
I'm not this mean. Yeah. Yeah. I mean, if you use the word index, this function takes all of n time complexity, right?
yeah,
And I think it should be the all of one time complexity to this thing. Yeah, I think you need a map to store the first index that the word appears.
I
Yeah.
see. Okay, okay. After this, you can show me how what they call it. You think is the solution of this? Is that fine?
Yeah. It's fine. Okay, it's fine. Yeah.
Because
If you use this one, it's fine. Yeah.
yeah, I quite didn't grasp the what they call it. This one, the tree of this one.
Okay.
Okay, how you do that?
Show you now.
Yeah, yeah, you can show me how
Okay.
you.
Okay. I mean, you can. Firstly, you can use a map word text like map like map and uh yes, and you need a text rate rate words. If word not in word index, word index word to the index. Yes, and so you can use the word index here. X X what X zero index. Yeah, and you can sort this array count and the word index and reverse it.
This is the very first one, right?
Sorry, could you say it again?
This is the way that you do this, uh like this one. This is mean the reverse one, right?
Yeah, reverse this sorting array.
Oh, I see.
Yeah. Yeah, you got a sorted word here. Yeah. Oh.
So the word index x0 is doesn't need it, or you still work that? For example, like this one.
Mhm.
This is one. You can see this.
Yeah, I can say that. I can say this. Yeah. So what's your problem? Could you say it again?
Um. Uh.
Okay. I made a mistake here. You should
If
minus.
oh, I see.
Yeah.
Okay, and the result is going to be
Yeah,
Mhm. Right.
yeah,
You can say that I'm trying to using one, what do you call it, as the account, right? Ah, as the account, and then
mhm, yeah. I think you can.
I saw it.
Yeah,
So
yeah,
it should be
yeah. Should we put them in?
fine. One
Yeah,
second.
yeah,
Check
yeah, 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 yeah. You're right.
count in AS count in shorted word. Kind of this side.
Yeah.
Uh, Let me print this one, right? Just want to
Okay.
see what happened with this.
Okay. So I think you have to return the result.
All right.
Yeah. Yeah. Yes.
Finish executing. What happened? Nothing show.
Yeah, yeah. You can write a test case in your code at the end of the uh at the line 51. Yeah, you can write a test case. Like, okay, I will show you.
Oh, I'm testing it.
Yeah. You can write a test case at line 51 to, and then run the code. Yeah.
Oh, I see. Oh, I'm sorry. So, what document engine, for example, like here, right? For example, like here,
Yep.
and
Yeah.
you can say that the document is going to be here, but the name is should not be document. Just say first string, right? To make sure that it doesn't confuse at the above. First string, and I'm going to say first string is going to be first string.
So, I think it should be. Yeah.
Oh, I see. Because it has this side.
Wait, then.
Oh no, I think uh, and first thing EOL is 53. Oh, I see. It needs what do you call it? If you do this, like, can you
Sorry.
do this?
Yeah.
Or maybe
Um. I don't know. Actually, I don't know.
for new line, right?
Okay. Okay.
Uh,
Okay.
because it's little. You say about what? Practice my for you only. Oh, I see. This is this one, right?
May, you can use you can use slash n. I don't know. Okay, I got it. I made a mistake.
Because it has this. If
Okay.
you remove this one, should be
Oh. I don't think so. I think the single quotation mark can be appeared in the double
uh,
quotation marks. Yeah, you can use the single quotation mark here. Yeah, you don't need a slash. Yeah, and
is it for sorry for example like if I remove this one,
mhm.
is it working? See,
I don't know what happened. What um uh,
so it say that the single quotation mark.
yeah, yeah, you have, yeah, but the sorted word I think is a little bit weird because you print the sorted word, but I think it's It's wrong.
Import prettier, for example, right? Because it's just
Import what? Import.
for example, I forgot prettier. Yeah, in Python, for example.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, what do you call it? Uh, Green list in Python. I forgot. Um, for example, like you can say no, just no. Oh, I see. You can do this. Then
Um, but okay.
928. 28, which one 28? Oh, I see. I'm sorry for this one.
I think
Okay, just don't print it. Let's see what happens.
yeah. Firstly, you can I think you can print the words at first. Yeah, because
Print the first word, right?
I print the print the words.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, print the words here. Because I really don't know if you handle this document correctly.
I
I think
see.
you can print the word at first.
Let's see.
Yeah, which means you didn't handle this document correctly.
For example, like I'm just want to print a document in here. For
Yeah,
example,
yeah, yeah. You can
just
print document.
document looks lower, right?
Yeah,
So that's weird.
yeah. Which means you didn't I don't know how to say. Hold on. Uptake the words. Extract extract the words.
Just
Yeah.
change it. Oh, I see. Just try to change it into maybe string one or maybe str block, right? Just curious whether this is the case or not, right? Str block.
Yeah,
Yes.
I think your
Ah, no. that's, that's once. Okay, just print the string, the first string. Print
yeah
string. What happened? Yeah, perfect makes perfect. Oh, it just said dot dot
yeah
dot dot.
yeah, which means the Rex you wrote it the Rex you wrote is wrong. I think.
I see. For example, like maybe in here.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, it's still okay. And if I just okay, we don't need this for to process our document. If we just remove this one, for example.
Yes. Yeah, but you have to remove the punctuations from this
Yeah.
sentence.
Um,
Yeah,
means that
maybe you can write a simple function to do that.
no, just replace it,
Okay.
right?
Yeah.
Can say that replace this one. I think I have this one, right? Because
Yes, but there may be many punctuations in your sentence.
mm,
Yeah, like um, hashtag mark or whatever percentage mark.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do you have any suggestion for this one?
Okay. No, I think you can find write a simple function strip out strip out s, which is a string, and for c in s, if c if c is less than c, or bigger than or equal to the a, um or c equals the blanket, you need a array, uh use array, and array for append c. You can strip out these punctuations here and return join them, result of join them array. And and then in this line you can use this function here.
I'm sorry, I'm just can what do you call it? Do this until 9. Is that fine? I mean, just 10 minutes again.
You mean the time?
Yes,
Yeah, I'm okay. Yeah, I don't have any other thing.
I see.
Um,
Okay, okay.
if you have any other thing,
Yeah, yeah. I'm just someone will come up in here, I think.
okay. So how many times do you have? Maybe we can swap the roles at first, and then you can.
Okay, just swap it also. Is that fine?
Yeah, 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 yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Let's try. Ah. Um.
This has not replaced. I see.
Yeah.
So just remove the. Oh, okay.
Okay. I don't know. Have do some. Yeah, yeah. It's right now, but we don't have enough. But you don't have enough time. Yeah.
Okay, okay. I'm
But
sorry.
yeah, yeah. And the last thing I want to say is the time complexity of this solution is all of n log n, because you use a sort. Um, uh, if you do this problem later, you can use all of n, the time complexity, to solve this problem by using bucket sort. So, yeah,
Oh, I
you,
see. That's kind of not what do you call it? Other than bucket sort is what do you call it? That's commonly used.
yeah,
Uh,
it's all of n.
no, 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 no. I mean, can
What was that?
quick
It's a,
short.
sorting algorithm. So
Yeah,
okay, okay. A quick sort. Okay. It's a all of n time complexity.
I think. Uh,
You know, the answer that tells me the most optimized solution is all of n by using the bucket sort. Yeah. So
yeah.
if you do this problem later, you can try this method.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
It's like
That's
this one like it says that the what they call it the worst complexity for quick short is O n and it has n log n, right?
in this solution is n log n, but if you use the bucket sort, the time complexity is all of n.
Bucket short, right? Okay,
Yeah.
I see. Mm, okay.
You use a map to store the map, the value is a list, key is the count. Key is the count. The count value is the list, and you put the word into the map.
Okay, okay, okay.
Yeah. And then you output from the the maximum count to the minimum count. Yeah,
Yeah, okay, okay.
that's the bucket sort. Yeah, you can try this later. Let's swap those.
Okay, let's swap those.
Okay. Uh, I
I'm sorry.
I created. Okay. Sorry. Okay.
This is the easy one, right?
Okay. I read the description. Okay. Given a static sized array of integers, array move all zeros in the array to the end of the array. You should preserve the you should you should what? Hold on. You should preserve the relative order of items in the array. Okay. You should implement a solution that is more efficient than a native brute force. Okay. Yeah, I think it's either one. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Um, okay. Um, I think I did the first one.
So, how, what your step are you going to?
Yeah, let me think about it. I think I can use a pointer to record the index. Um, Let me copy the example to the comment. Also this array and when zero index. If I have it. Okay, let me think. Let me think about it. Yeah, index and this one.
Do you want what to call it? A clue for this?
Hold on. Let me think about it. Give me 2 minutes. Okay. Thank you. Thank you very much. Yeah, yeah. Um, five and index here. Copy it. Copy it. One. Um. Okay. Index and copy. The okay to the yeah to the okay. Copy. Don't copy it. Okay. I think I can solve this problem by using an extra pointer, yeah, for P1. Yes. Firstly, the initial value is -1. Yes, and I have to loop through this array for I in range y in like I in range n, in which n represents the length of this array. Yeah, and if the element of the index I is um, is not zero, we increase the P1 by 1 and copy this element to the uh, to the slot that P1 points to. And if the element is 0, we ignore this array, ignore this element. Do you think it's a okay? I think a little bit long. I will show you by example. Yeah. Firstly, we can make an easier example here, like for 1, 0, 0, 2, 3. Yes, the expected output should be expected output should be 1, 2, 3, 0, 0, right?
Yes.
Okay. Firstly, I have a pointer here. Yep. And if I encounter if I there are two cases here, and loop through this array, loop through ROUGH through this array, loop through this array, and we have two cases here. Element if the element is 0, right? And the other case is the element is not 0, right? If the element is 0, we continue it. We can skip this step. Yes, and skip. And else, we increase the P1 by 1. P1 by 1, and copy the element. Let me explain this pseudocode by using this example. Yes, in the first iteration, the value is 1.
Okay.
Yes, and we copy the element to the P1. So the 0, 2, 3, right?
Hi. Okay, okay. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay. I'm sorry. This kind of hard to for me to think. My what they call it? Is it? I don't know. Is it brute force or not? Right. For example,
Yeah,
for me, it's just iterate this one, right? For e in array, right?
yeah,
And you say okay. I'm going to say index in here, right?
yeah.
It's 0. If
Yes,
if if e I'll say that it's num, right? If num not same as 0, right?
yeah,
Right.
yeah. It's what I mean. Yeah,
This is one.
yeah.
Uh, oh, for e in range, right? Sorry. Can say like this, right? For e in range
Yeah,
of the len an array, right?
yeah,
If e is if sorry, for e in range of if array e
all right.
is not 0, right?
Yeah.
You just remove the r
Yeah.
e
Swap this.
same as what do you call it?
Um. You just swap them.
Swap
Yeah.
them, right?
Yeah. Swap them. Swap the index. I think the initial value of the index is -1.
Okay.
So yeah, it's,
Okay. You can try to implement this one.
okay.
And for example, like what I have in mind, right? You have this index, right? Means that if you have this one, right? Uh, it will arrange into this one, right? Means that you have the index of what they call it 1 2 3 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, so in 9, right? So
Yeah.
index is going to be 9, right? And you just need to for from 9 to length of the array, right? Just put it 0, right?
Yes. Yes. Yeah. 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 Because I swap the zero to the.
Yeah, yeah. You can try this one, right?
Okay. 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 Firstly, I need an array. I need an index. I need an index. Yeah. Yes. Which the initial value of the p1 is -1, and for I let me think, for I value in enumerate array, and if v doesn't equals 0, 1 plus 1, and and swap swap this array and swap these elements. So it's array I to array p1 to array p1. Uh, so just return the array. Okay, let me show. Okay, on indent. Firstly, I need to remove the comment here. Okay, and I try something. Okay, it works. Uh, and I think I have to run tests here.
Yeah, yeah. This is good.
Yeah, it passed. It passed. Yeah, it works. So the time complexity of my solution is all of n, because we have to loop through this array, and in which n represents the length of array, and the space complexity is O1, because I just use a variable to store the I just use a pointer variable here. Yeah, so the space complexity all of one.
Okay, okay, that's fine. That's good.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, can we go back to the last one, right?
The last the
Eh,
last one.
I'm sorry, the old one. I think it doesn't. Okay, this is good.
So, sorry.
Okay, I mean like the previous what do you call it?
Okay, this problem. Okay, okay. Yeah. Okay, I think if you the print word is
Which one? Oh, in here.
yeah you print the words. I think it's correct now. Right. It's correct now. It's right now. Do you think so? Yeah.
Oh, I see. So you strip out like Oh, I see. Okay.
Yes. So let's bring the output here.
For C in S, A is less than C. Z is less. Oh, I see. Oh, C. Okay.
Okay. I think it's better, right? Is yeah. The for the example, it print the output. Yeah.
Okay. So we can say that in here words are displayed, right? Uh,
Yes.
eh, oh, so the answer is good. Is fine, right?
Yeah. 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 Which means you just do the do rex the scene the rex you maybe you write wrong.
I'm sorry.
Yeah, I mean the previous method you handle this document is wrong. You use a Rex.
Yeah,
Maybe yeah, it's wrong.
this one, right?
Yeah,
Just
it's a
change
little
this.
bit. Yeah, I know it's a little bit hard to use Rex.
Yeah, regex. Okay, just
Okay.
we can just on the code.
Yeah,
Okay,
you can
can
try the
see.
test cases.
Okay,
Hold on.
just
Yeah. Okay, that's fine.
let's go. Let's go.
Yeah, yeah. And do you want to try the bucket sort here?
I'm not quite familiar with that one. Like,
Okay.
can you give me an example for this one?
Okay. I can show you. I can show you how to use the bucket sort here.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Firstly, okay. Let me think about it.
So
Bucket sort.
sorry. Let me just talk about this one, right? Because I use it shorted, right? It will be iterate, right? Iterate every word because it's a built-in function, right?
Yeah, it's a building function. Oh, you mean the building function is all of n, the time complexity of the building function?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Uh,
I didn't know before. Yeah, I think the
O log n. No, 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 no. This one is O n, right?
ON. Okay. I didn't know before. I think the sort is a sorted. The time complexity of the sorted is all of n log n.
O log n, right? Oh,
Yeah,
I see.
I think it's all n log n. By sorting. I use sorting.
Okay, and for the what they call it for the this is the time complexity or the space
Uh,
complexity?
Time complexity.
Space. Okay, space. The space is how much we use it? 哦哎
Yeah. The space is all of n. Yeah. Oh yeah.
okay
Because
space
you use you need two maps here.
yeah okay okay just continue to do the bucket shot one.
How about okay? First, okay. Words dict word count. Okay. Uh, okay. I know how to use the bucket sort here. Firstly, I need a word count. Yeah, and there is a map, and um, yeah, and yeah. Firstly, I use a map. Okay, I think the previous is right. I don't use the word index, so I remove this one. Yeah, and I have to recall. I have to um yeah. Oh, I know how to do it. Yeah, and I have to use variable max count to store the maximum count here. Max count, max, max count. Yeah, and I need a bucket here, here. Yeah, bucket, which is a map, and its value is a list. List. For the buckets, um, the key is the count, and the value is the word list, word list with the same count. Yeah, do you know what I mean now? Yeah.
Mm,
Okay, buckets. The key is a count, and the value is the word list with the same count. The word with the same count.
okay.
Okay, yeah. So for we have to look through max count. Look through this count from uh, okay. I don't think. Yeah. Okay. We have to build a bucket here. So we have to um, loop through this word again. Word in words. Yes. Firstly, we
Okay.
yeah. Okay.
Mm,
Okay. Firstly, we get a bucket.
mm,
Yeah. Bucket. It's a bucket by the count. So we got a count here. Word count word word. We got a we got a bucket. Yeah. Do you know what I mean? Yeah. The line 54. Do you know what I mean now?
okay.
We got the bucket. Yeah. And we put the word into the bucket. Yeah. That we finish building the buckets.
Okay. Okay.
Yes. And we can get output for word for count in buckets. Okay. We have to make this loop from the max count into the uh, minimum count, but the minimum count is 1, so we can use 0 here.
Okay.
Yes. And for each count, we can get a bucket or bucket in bucket. Buckets count. Buckets count. Yes. Okay. I made a mistake here. Bucket. Can get a bucket. Yeah. So we need to check if the count is in the buckets. If count.
What's this for?
Hold on.
I see.
Yeah, hold
Okay.
on.
Okay.
Buckets continue. Skip it.
Okay.
Yes. Uh, yeah.
I think you should remove the last one. Right. Yeah.
Okay. You're right. Word in bucket. Word in bucket, and we can get the output. Output or append word and the string count. Uh, okay. I should use the parentheses.
I see.
Yeah. Bucket not defined. Which line? Global name.
You say buck chat, not
Okay,
bucket.
okay. Bucket. Okay, I mean. Watch it. Watch it. Bucket. Bucket. Hmm. Local variable. Reference before. Bucket. Loading. Okay.
Just excuse me for a minute.
Okay.
Just 1 minute. I'm sorry.
Okay. I don't know why.
I'm back.
I made a mistake, but I don't know Why?
It says that in Woodcode engine, local variable bucket is okay.
Okay,
I think
I know that. I know that. I found
okay,
it.
okay.
Yeah, I found it. Maybe. Yeah. Okay, I will try the test cases. Must improve the site, and they are ready. Yeah. What happened? I cannot run the test cases.
I'm the one who cannot.
Okay.
Okay, it says that you failed.
Uh, yeah. Actual expect. Um. Oh. I know that. I know that. Yeah. I know. I made a mistake. Forwarding words.
Or you have double this one, right?
Yeah. Because
So you have to leave it blank.
I don't. I. Yeah. Yeah. Words. Word count. Hold on. Let me think about it. Forward in words. Forward in words. Forward in words. Okay. Word may be duplicated. So I think I need another map here. Okay. If word is copy. Otherwise, see.
Okay, just and look.
Yeah.
Yeah, I see, I see.
Yeah. Until now, do you know the meaning of the bucket sword?
Yeah, I know, I know. I
Yeah.
think like you put one in the bucket, right? And
Yeah. Yeah. So the time complexity of this uh is all of n.
okay, okay.
Yeah.